charts to vet that you need to follow, right? There's a few more that I go over in this as well, but for sake of time, I'm giving you the most simplest processes here. The third thing is you want a global customer base. And this is fun. When you start to see orders that come in from across the planet, it is amazing. It is cool to show your peers, your coworkers, your wife, your husband, your children. Listen, I just got a sell from Romania or from Mexico. Really cool. Right? So does all of this make sense? Let me know. Does all of this make sense? All right, very cool. Now, understand this. Each ebook that you publish becomes another stream of income. Here's another one of my students. He's at $1,057.23 in one day. Not hard stuff, folks. Not hard stuff. Amazon sells 500 million ebooks a year. This is not my information. This is coming from visualcapitalist.com. All right? That's them. Regular people like you and I are spending $410 million per day. Per day. And again, this is not my information. This is coming from 10under100.com. All right? 10under100.com. Now, here's how business used to be done when it comes to creating an online business. And here's how it's done now. So take a look at this and let me know if any of these resonate with you. If you're trying to do any of these, stop it. All right? The old ways, you would spend $500 to $1,000 on just a combination of just things. Right? This is where all of the overwhelm comes into place, like a website and funnels and products and this and that, right? Products that you would have to hide in the garage from your husband or from your wife or hide in the closet. Trust me, I've been there before. I still have crap that I bought from Alibaba and AliExpress. The second thing is you would have to learn how to advertise and spend money on ads, Facebook ads and YouTube and Google display network, and just get frustrated. Then you would have to wait months to sell your inventory if it does sell at all. All right. Hopefully make some money and some profit. Now, the new way is this. You model what's already selling. You create and then you list your ebook on Amazon. And if you don't want to write it yourself, you pay $150, as I just saw you. And in some cases, just showed you. And in some cases, as little as like $110, $125. You list it for free on Amazon. When customers buy it, you make money day after day after day. Which one resonates with you most? Which one would you prefer? The left side or the right side? Give me a left or right, left or right, left or right. Let's take a vote. Left or right. Which one would you prefer? Left or right, left or right, left or right. Boom. All of the rights are coming in. You guys are right. If you're putting in right, you're right. Now, here's the inevitable results. Your results become so much clearer. You no longer have to play a game of chance. You control everything, super important, and it works fast, and your daily earnings potential is huge, right? Again, here's another one of my students, $18,704.06. He says, I'm averaging $800 per day in revenue. Where's he say that at? It's somewhere here, right? But he's averaging $800 a day in revenue, $800 a day. All right. So he has 5 books. Look at that. He's killing it. This is how you quickly go from $10 a day to $100 a day to $1,000 a day and more with the right system. Here's a few more of my students. This person is at $5,000 a month. This person says, I just got my 400th sale. Do the math on that. 400 ebooks sold at $9.99. How much money is that? Who's smart? Now, here's the thing, folks. I can give you the processes. I can give you the systems. I can give you the step-by-step. None of it matters unless you believe. Like, none of it matters. And I'm just being honest with you. This is what I told my son, Tyler, when I got him first started with this when he was 15. This is what I'm telling my daughter, Summer, right now as I'm getting her started. She is 13. I have to work on their mindset first. All right? You have to believe. So do you believe that you can make $10 a day online using what I'm going to share with you? Let me know. If you believe that you can make $10 a day, if you believe that I can teach you how to make $10 a day, just type in $10. Just type in a 10. Let's make it quick and easy. Just type in a 10. All right? Napoleon Hill says there's nothing that belief plus a burning desire cannot make real. I'm not gonna say, hey, listen, folks, I'm gonna show you how to make $1 million this year, because I would be lying. I can't do that. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'm not going to say to you, I'm going to show you how to make $500,000 this month. I'm not going to tell you that. But I can tell you